GST portal has released advisory for e-invoice, and advisory I have opened. You can see on the screen advisory on case insensitivity in IRN generation, and this has been issued on 4th April 2025, and there has mentioned this is to inform you that effective 1st June 2025, and this is going to be effective from 1st June 2025. The IRP invoice reporting portal would treat invoice document number as a case insensitive for a purpose of IRN generation. And in second point, you can see to ensure consistency and avoid duplication invoice number reported in any format, for example like ABC in small and ABC in caps, or ABC would be automatically converted to uppercase before IRN generation, and this change aligns with the treatment of invoice number in GSTR1, which already treat them as a case insensitive. So this is issue for avoid duplication invoice number reported in any format. Let's suppose some if any person made invoice with the format invoice number 1, and there has character in ABC in small, and again they have made one more invoice with the same invoice number, and only there is a differences with alphabet character, and in the second time if they have made invoice with the capital, so this is duplicate invoice, and e-invoice portal has been generated this kind of invoice on e-invoice portal. So for avoiding duplicate invoice number on e-invoice portal, now you cannot make e-invoice this kind of e-invoice on e-invoice portal from 1st June 2025. So this is the biggest updation related e-invoice which is going to be applicable from 1st June 2020.